Let's learn how to make an account on alhudaus.com in few easy steps. Step 1. Go to alhudaus.com website. Once you land on the website, click on Student Registration button. Upon clicking on this button, you will see a short form. All you need to enter is 3 pieces of information: your name, first name, last name, and your email address. Remember this email address you used here. Click on register. Upon clicking register, you will see the screen. So read this message. It tells you to check your email. So go to your email, check your email, the same email you have entered in that form. So upon checking your email, you will notice you have received a password. Your email is your ID and your password is in your email. So check your email, save it, and then click on student login, which is right in the email. So now, alhamdulillah, you have your ID and password. Your ID is your email address and your password is in your email. Go back to alhudaus.com and enter that in order to access your courses.